Well, hello, students. Oh, so you're ready to make some tomato sauce, are you? All right. Well, let's go through the ingredients you're gonna need and the method. Okay, you're gonna render some salt pork in your pot. Okay. Let's see. You're gonna remove the meat, leaving the fat. The fat will be used maybe with the addition of a little olive oil to sweat your garlic and onion. You can always use carrots and celery too if you'd like. Some people do, some don't. And once they're really close to caramelizing, you're going to want to add your tomato products. And remember, your sauce is only as good as your product. I'll tell you what, let's just get started. We'll start with, and I have to apologize for not having salt pork. So what is bacon anyway? It's just smoked salt pork. So we will use bacon, and this is a lot more than I would probably be using, but I'm going to remove it from the pan anyway, and I'll probably end up using it as something else, maybe a Cobb salad or something I'll have later. So we're gonna have remember, we're gonna saute the garlic and onion in that fat that we render from this salt pork, right? Okay, let's let that go for a little while we get everything else ready. Our garlic, I think we want to have like a large mince. I'll go in one way and then go the other way, and the end piece I'll cut up a little bit. That gives me a pretty good size, pretty large mince. Now remember, smaller piece. Breaking that, just separating some of those pieces. They'll start coming apart a little better now. A little more garlic. So remember, when I peel garlic, I'll cut through it. I'll give it a little bit of a squish. Just smash it a little bit without deforming it. You don't want to. Some people crush the garlic, and I honestly don't understand the reason behind it. But my reasoning is, if you remove the ends, if you bend it a little bit or just kind of squeeze it, it really loosens the skin from the garlic and it comes off a lot easier. So again, squeeze it a little bit and that skin just falls loose. Oopsie daisy. Does it look like a good amount of garlic? Yeah, I think so.